Hi everyone, welcome back. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you all how to make ogbono soup very quick, fast and super delicious. So guys, let's get started. So into my pot, I went in with some palm oil. I allowed this to hot. Then I went in with the ogbono. This is a very quick and fast recipe, okay? If you want to make your ogbono soup very fast and quick, just use this method. In less than 15 to 20 minutes, you are done. So I went in with the ogbono. So I'm just going to melt it like this. At this point, I already turned off the heat because I don't want it to get burnt. So now that I'm done, I'll just turn the heat back. Then I will add in the meat stock. Then I added more water. I'm going to stir this together until everything is nicely combined. And guys, if you are new here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon and like this video, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep watching, keep liking and keep commenting. So guys, at this point the ogbono soup was still thick, so I went in with some water. I'm going to be adding water gradually because I don't like my ogbono to be too thick or too watery, okay? So I just covered it and allow it to boil together, okay? At this point our ogbono soup is coming together. So the next thing I did was to add in my seasoning and my salt. Then I went in with some chili powder. Then I'm going to stir together, okay? So after I'm done stirring, I saw that the soup was still a little bit thick. So I'm going to add in little water. So after adding the water, I'm going to allow this to cook for some minutes. So at this point, I went in with my Panla fish. Then I went in with my boiled protein. I'm using goat meat and some fresh fish. Then I went in with some crayfish powder. Then I'm going to stir together. After I'm done stirring everything together, then I will cover it to cook for a few minutes. And guys, look at that. Look how yummy and slimy this ogbono soup is looking. And this was so yummy, guys. It was so delicious. So I'm just going to stir. Then I will add in my vegetable. I'm using pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu. So I'm just going to add in my vegetable. Then I will stir together. And guys, at this point our soup is ready. Our ogbono soup is ready. This was so quick and fast, guys. It took me no less than 20 minutes to make this soup, and it was so yummy. So what will you be eating this with? Is it pounded yam? Is it banku with? What will you be enjoying this with? Guys, I paired mine with very hot eba. and it was so yummy. And if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, comment, and also share. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye, guys.